Bulawayo's Mayor David Coulthard has slammed Zimbabwe's judiciary for its handling of Mary Mubayiwa's case, branding her plight as a national disgrace. Mubayiwa, the ex-wife of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, has suffered severe health complications after being denied foreign medical treatment by their host. David Coulthard, a renowned human rights advocate, lamented the judiciary's refusal to show mercy and grant bail, stating that it has laid to a dark stain on the nation's justice system. He emphasized that the pursuit of justice is a fundamental principle, citing biblical teachings and historical examples to drive home his point. The mayor's remarks have sparked a heated debate, with many Zimbabweans echoing his concerns and calling for judicial reform. As Mubayiwa's health continues to deteriorate, the nation grapples with the consequences of its flawed justice system.